all set. It is post time for the first Breeders' Cup Juvenile Turf Sprint. $1 million on the line. Here's Larry Colmus.
They're off for the Juvenile Turf Sprint, and Bulletin breaks like a rocket out of the gate, right to the front. Chelsea Cloisters away running in second position. Strike Silver is up and close to the pace today, third on the inside. And they're followed by Moonlight Romance, and coming through is Soldier's Call down toward the hedge, just 2 lengths off the lead. Then Big Drink of Water, followed by So Perfect, Queen of Bermuda. On the far outside, Pocket Dynamo, and down toward the inside, Stillwater Cove. At the back of the field are Sergei Prokofiev and Well Done Fox. So they make their way around the turn with Bulletin the leader. Chelsea Cloisters pressing the pace on the outside. The two of them locked in battle over Big Drink of Water on the outside of Strike Silver, and Soldier's Call who's down toward the inside, saving all the ground, and then Pocket Dynamo, they're into the stretch. Chelsea Cloisters on the outside of Bulletin. The two of them battle it out coming to the final furlong. Soldier's Call is next, and then comes Strike Silver on the outside, running in fourth in the back of the pack, Queen of Bermuda, but it is still Bulletin. Bulletin battles on after that fast beginning and keeps on going. Chelsea Cloisters won't beat him. Bulletin is a Breeders' Cup winner. Won it by 3 over Chelsea Cloisters. And then it was So Perfect, followed by Queen of Bermuda, and a final time of 105.54.
Thank you, Lafitte. And the Breeders' Cup Juvenile Turf Sprint has gone the way of Bulletin. An extraordinary performance. Delighted to say to present the trophy, Breeders' Cup Ambassador Bo Derrick. Great to welcome you back to Churchill Downs, Bo. And alongside Bo Tio King for the China Horse Club. And to my immediate left, Lisa Trout from Windstar Farms. What a season they've had, Bo.
Thank you. Beautiful. What a way to start the Breeders' Cup.
I'll ask you to do the honors and present the trophy for us. Lisa, it's been a remarkable season. You've enjoyed partnership with Justify, with Tio King here, and now you have another superstar. Do you sometimes have to pinch yourself?
We do. We are still pinching ourselves, and we are still floating. From this summer, from Justify, and now to start off the Breeders' Cup weekend like this, we couldn't be more thrilled. We have our whole team, Windstar, China Horse Club, SF. The only person we're missing today is my husband, Kenny. Kenny, this is for you. We love you. We miss you. Couldn't be with us today, but couldn't be more thrilled with the team of Javier and Todd and everyone here at Windstar.
You've got a top team. I'm sorry that Kenny can't be with you today.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Bulletin, a newsworthy winner of the inaugural Breeders' Cup Juvenile Turf Sprint. Lafitte.